الوداع. It does not apply on everyone. It's called the farewell tawaf. The day you leave Mecca or the day before you leave Mecca, you should do a farewell tawaf of Kaaba. It's called Tawaful Wida', goodbye. Very emotional tawaf because you don't know if you will be back again, right? For Hajjis, it's muakkida or wajiba. Most scholars say it's wajib on Hajjis men. For women, there is a qawl from Abdullah ibn Abbas that if women have their days and they could not do the farewell tawaf, Sahih Muslim, Mishkatul Masabih, Al-Qira al-Qasid al-Umm al-Qura, Bukhari Kitab al-Manasik, this Al-Qira is Imam Tabari's big reference on Hajj. They all say sisters are exempt. Sisters are exempt. Inshallah, you'll have the ajr without doing it. So that is your Hajj.